Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of fate. The development of events beyond a person's control, regarded as determined by a supernatural power. For example, fate decided his course for him. The second definition of fate. Three goddesses who presided over the birth and life of humans. Each person's destiny was thought of as a thread spun, measured, and cut by the three fates, Clotho, Lachesis, and Atropos. For example, and from time to time, nature and fate conspire to bring a mortal down. American pronunciation. Fate. Fate. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Fate. Say. Fate. Fate means development of events. Fate. Fate. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Cain understood the power of fate, and the inevitability of consequence. Now, repeat after me. Cain understood the power of fate, and the inevitability of consequence. The second practice. In a remarkable twist of fate, they get locked in the storeroom together. Now, repeat after me. In a remarkable twist of fate, they get locked in the storeroom together.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.